Hi, today in front of me Motorola ThinkPhone, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings application and then tap to the gesture section. After that, scroll down and tap to press and hold Power Key button. Now we can see here hold for assistant switcher. You can also switch here the level of the long and press Power Key to activate the Google Assistant. And now let's press and hold it, and we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you want to turn it off by the same way, open the settings, click to the gestures, tap to double press Power Key and switch, press and hold power button, and so turn off the switcher to hold it for assistant. After that, you'll use only the power off menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.